Yo! What's up mga buddy? Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman tayo. At for today's vlog mga buddy ay magtatanim tayo ng saging. Bumili tayo ng 2 puno ng saging na lakatan. Subukan nga rin natin magtanim ng lakatan. At hindi puro saging na saba yung tanim natin. Ang bili natin sa isang food, 175. Bili natin sa pinsan ko, si Kuya Celso. Mga buddy, at itatanim ko doon sa tabi ng kubo doon sa farm. Ito mga buddy, bumili tayo ng 2 puno na lakatan. Ikakarga ko sa tricycle. Hindi po ganito kalaki mga kabady yung binibinta niya. Magpinsan po kasi kami kaya binigyan niya po ako ng malapit na atang mamunga. Yan, 175 po ang isang puno ang binta po niya. Yan po yung nabibili natin mga kabady sa bayan na kulay dilaw, na pag kinain mo ay mabango siya at matamis, masarap. Lakatan.
I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign.
Yeah! Magtatanim tayo ng saging. Sama namin yung makulit. Hoy, kulit! Ay, kulit, kulit! Ang kulit-kulit! Magtatanim tayo ng saging. Dami ng damo. Dahan-dahan, baka mahulog yung saging sa ibabaw, hindi ko na itali. Doon natin itatanim sa tabi ng kubo. Oh, ang daming bunga yung papaya. Happy farm. Oh.
I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I'm waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same?
Malapit na ata itong mamunga.
Don't you feel the same?
Malaki na daw yung binigay para mamunga na. Malaki na daw para malapit na mamunga. Happy! Yan ka lang, maulog kakapit ka dyan. Mami!
I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I'm waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign.
Diyan na lang sa may papaya.
I've been waiting for a sign.
Tanggalin mo yung kwan. Yung sa gitna ng papaya.
Don't you? Don't you? Yeah.
You can say what you want. I already know it's this to me. Maybe should stop resisting it. I understand it can be scary, but you be safe in my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our private's irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love anymore. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know together.
Makulog ka dyan, ah.
Let me be your girl. We'll take it for the world. Together we'll go high. We'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl, I can wait for the day. Yeah, I'll wake up next to you.
Kaya ko. Tanggalin natin ito. Ito.
Daydreaming
Ito.
about it.
Ito, lalaki to. Tignan mo yung...
Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our vibe is irreplaceable.
Yan, maraming
You don't see
kaya.
this kind of
Ito
love.
natin lalagay.
It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know, together.
Lalaki.
If you let me be your girl, we'll take it for the world.
Itong lalaki na papaya.
Go high, we'll make the most of
Wala natin mga parte na ito.
Let me be your girl.
Ito natin ilalagay, itatanim kasi mataas na parte.
I know you've been hurt before, but I promise I am honest. I care about you, you. Maybe it's time to let the past go, turn the page, let me in. If you let me be your girl, we'll take it for the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl, if you let me be your girl,
Kumuha pa yan.
take it for the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make the most of life. If you let me be your
Ito,
girl,
dalawa. Ano?
be your girl.
Ito na, dalawa. Ito na, ano, dalawa. Ayan mga buddy, nagkukay tayo ng butas na 2 feet ang lalim. At lalagyan natin na ng bantal. Ayan, basalan na natin ng dupos. Hindi nawawala ang dupos pag nagtatanim ako. Napakaganda pa kasi itong dupos. At saka triple 14 para pag nabuhay na siya, eh may makakain na siya agad. Ayan. Tabunan natin ng lupa yung hindi natin napuno. Para hindi dumikit sa ugat niya yung abono. Ayan. Oh, ang laki na to. Malaki na itong mamunga. Naku, bago. Bago to. Nanti kita bisa lakukan balik. Jernikas.
Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along. Even though it's been unspoken so long, I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. 'Cause I wanna be certain we don't need to be lonely, we don't need to be hurting. 'Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say it. I've been saying it softly, with no words. You whisper.
Yan mga buddy, nakatanim na tayo.
I'm waiting for you.
Yan, may lakatan na tayo na saging. Yung saging na ito mga buddy, yung kulay dilaw na nabibili natin sa palengke na pag kinain mo ay masarap siya at mabango siya. Ito yung lakatan. Binili natin ito na 175. Isang puno sa pinsan natin si Kuya Ambong. Shoutout pala kay Kuya Celso Nunez. Yan. Sa kanya ko binili itong lakatan. Malaki na yung binigay niya para malapit na raw mamunga. Baka sakaling maparami natin. Yan, dalawa sila. Ganun ko dito sa may malapit sa kubo. At sa parting mataas natin sila tinanim. Yan, hindi yan nahararo. Sabi ng mga papaya natin, namumunga na lang ng mga papaya natin. Yung mga second generation namumunga na rin. Bumili na naman pala ako ng buto ng papaya. Napiki na naman ako sa Lazada. Ang dami nilang na-harvest kanita dito. Mga bagong sitaw natin. Ang ganda tong talong. Daming bulaklak. Mga kabati, mag-harvest tayo ng saging na saba. May harvest tayo doon. Yung talong natin, oh, ang ganda. Ganda ng talong talaga pag umuulan.
I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time.
Yung kamatis natin, malalaki na.
If we're right, I'm waiting for a sign.
Yan.
Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away.
Mga kabady, at mag-harvest tayo ulit ng saging. Mag-harvest na naman tayo ng saging na saba.
Feel the same.
Binatanggal ko na yung patula dito at pinataniman ko ulit. At yan na nga, tumutubo na ulit yung pinatanim natin na patula. Yan, tumutubo na sila.
You can say what you want. I already know it's this.
Daming bunga.
Maybe you should stop resisting me.
Mga kabady, at mag-harvest tayo ng saging na saba.
Understand it can be scary. Beg you be safe in my arms, baby.
Yan, pinalibutan natin ang papaya at yung farm. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa bahay.
It's special. One of a kind. I know together.
Ha, inaabangan na tayo ng ating mga alagang manok.
Be your girl.
Nagugutom na ata sila.
We'll take a further world.
Yung mga pato, inaabangan na tayo. Gutom na sila.
You let me be your girl. I can
Kanyang itak. Kunin natin yung saging.
yeah. I wake up next to you.
Ang daming bunga tong kalamansi.
Then they dreaming about it. Come on, just take my hand.
Bakit? Gutom na kayo? Mamaya mag-harvest pa ako ng saging. Harvest muna natin yung saging na saba. Para may pahinog.
It's special. One of a kind, yeah. I know together. If you
Tara,
let
itak.
me be your girl. We'll take a further world. Together we'll go high. We'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl.
Mga ducklings natin, gutom na rin sila.
Oh, you've been hurt before.
Na nag-crossbreed tayo ng Cals at saka Rhode Island.
I am honest.
Yung pinapisa ko sa incubator na itlog nila, wala naman. Hindi fertile. Baka sakali yung itong susunod, maka-fertile na. Cals yan, at saka Rhode Island. Ang mga buddy, at may harvest namin yung saging. May bagong pisa tayo na sipan. Meron na tayong bagong pisa na sisiw. Ay na
Let me be your girl.
ducks.
We'll take a further world.
Mataas ba?
Together we'll go high. We'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl. If you let me be your girl. We'll take a further world. Together we'll go high. We'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl. Be your girl.
Tagi na. Dalawa, kahit mabalinda duwan. Saan? Ayun ang nasa gitna. Ayun. Yan, dalawa mga kabady. Harvest natin, dalawa. Nasaging na saba. Meron pa down? Saan? Tatlo? Hindi pa ata pwede yun. Mura pa. Kulang dalawa. Yan. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Meron pa din ah. Alam. Alam ya. Uy. Ay, dalawa. Ako tayong dalawa. Ang malaki. Ako kayo pa. Ano pa yan? Ang dito pa din ang laki. Ah. Ayan mga buddy, nag-harvest na tayo. Ayan mga buddy, naka-harvest na tayo. Shout out sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Natay ba?